What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the Weekend Diecast. Today I have a Ferrari model to show you guys, and when it comes to Ferrari, there's not a lot of brand options to choose from, and I think Tarmac might be the only one in terms of GT3. So Mini GT doesn't have Ferrari, and Pop Race doesn't have any, and I know BBR has some, but there's no GT3 options out there. So Tarmac probably, I don't know, might be the only one out there. Usually if I can avoid Tarmac, I will do that because, you know, I just have some, I mean, their painting is not the best out there. But, well, this one is Hobby 64, so it's like their better line of production. So it's really a hit or miss. But, well, it's better than the Global 64. That one is, you know, nothing but miss in my past experience. So we can, let's take a closer look. Let's take this out of the case. We can look at the box first because, you know, licensing, you can Ferrari licensing. And this GT3 is from Macau 2022. And the team is Harmony Racing Team. I don't see any Harmony Racing licensing. I don't know. Maybe they'd be like, you know, it's all good, guys. It's all good. We're all good. So it should be fine. And okay, out of this case, our acrylic box, as usual. Typical finish for the Global Hobby 64. And let's take this case away. Here is the platform. Tarmac Ferrari 488 GT3. And the driver is Chen, Weian. So, is there anything special about this car? Not really. I mean, he didn't finish the first in the race. I think it's like he is ranked 5th overall for the 2 races. But the special about this car is this is the only Ferrari in the race, and this guy is actually pretty good in China. GT3 class, and his Ferrari performance kind of pretty good in China. But unfortunately, he didn't finish like top 3 or anything, just above average. But I guess I'll just buy this car just for the livery. So take this thing out of this platform. As usual, you have this kind of braces here. And here is the real car. So first impression, this car does not roll pretty well. Does not roll at all. You can force it to roll, but yeah. But that's okay because it just because they have those like calipers and brakes details in there, make it really hard to roll. Actually, a lot of brands nowadays make those details and still manage to make the car roll. So Tarmac, you know, learned that lesson. And yeah. So look at the painting first, shall we? It's pretty smooth. Like right here, when there's no decals, I noticed that this car has so many decals. So you can see the front hood. Like the smooth part has no decals, but when it comes to this little dots here, that's where the decals comes in. So from here, it's just all messy. You know, a little bumpy, and not smooth at all anymore. And so, okay, it's a hit or miss. So actually, there are quite a few elements in this car that I really love. For example, see this little tow hood right here. This guy is just such, where's my Allen wrench? My Allen wrench. Where's my Allen wrench? There it is. This tow hook right here is such a fine piece. I don't know if it's made of metal or not, but just if it is, just imagine they have to do a mold just for this little ring. So that's ridiculous. Smallest tow hood I've ever seen in the 64 scale diecast. So that's the good part, but look at the front grille. actually, I bought this freaking flashlight here, and let's test this thing out. Because sometimes I would say, I can't remember how many times I mentioned in the video that I say, okay, sorry guys, my lighting is not good, so hope you guys can see it. So from now on, no more excuses. All business here, okay? So, okay, right here. The front grille is the worst. It is the worst that I've ever seen. So no open work, no like those craves. I mean, no cutoffs and nothing, just a paint. I think so, just paint. So bad, too bad. And I don't think it's that hard to make a, at least some kind of surface graving, right? But well, Tarmac's being Tarmacs. And okay, and the headlights are pretty good. Individual pieces, and clearly you can see some bulbs details inside. Very transparent, super good. And what else? You have those locks for the front hood, and you have those electricity cutoffs here, like those circle E. Yeah, some good details at front so far. Air vents, double air vents, and it's pretty deep inside as well. So very good. Michelin details on the side. This car should have canards, but well, we're missing that. Again, it's not too hard to make those anymore, right? And front splitter, you can see the carbon fiber, so that's good. Carbon fiber detail, super sharp. I like that. And here you can see some sponsorships. Galaxy Entertainment Group. Sponsorships number 51. Windshield wipers, actually pretty good. Ferrari sign in the middle. Here on the side, huge sponsorship here. Harmony Auto. That makes sense. It's Harmony racing team, so this is the main sponsorship here. The wheels are beautiful, so you can see this metallic finish for the wheels, and have the tire prints, Michelin tire prints, super good. Even has those little yellow colors around the middle lug nuts, so very nice. Actually super good. Shall we look at the brakes detail? See, now I have this fresh light. We can just looking at everything. How can I operate this thing? There we go. Well, pretty good. Still cannot see a lot actually. Okay, 51. This window cutoff, probably one of the best out there. I'll have to give Tarmac work the credit here. So you can not only you can see this is totally cut off. It's like you can it's cutting through here, and also there are like those rivets details here as well. It's pretty good, super good. Door handle just painted. So okay, in the back, just too many details in the back. Oh, here is the driver's name, Chen Weian, and you can see the nationality and the blood type, B+ blood type. And there's the quick fuel system here. Michelin guy, rear tires pretty good. Moving to the back, it's huge. Spoiler. And I think this is the like Harmony Racing Team abbreviation here, HAR. And here in the back, tail lights are only the red ones are separate pieces. And Michelin, Ferrari sign. These two exhaust tips are not very even here. This one is deeper. This one is more out. you know, quality control stuff. Huge diffuser, pretty nice. Oh, another tow hook, guys, beautiful, with the arrows and everything, beautiful. And here, look at this top part. Oh gosh, I dropped something. What is this? Guys, I broke the side mirror. Actually, this is very easy to glue back. Well, guys, accident. So, okay, on the top, see the engine details? And actually, the interiors are so nice. Gosh. Silver roll cage and more silver parts inside. Beautiful. Do you know what are those fine prints? These are actually the official Ferrari dealer. Harmony Racing. Oh, these are all the locations. The Harmony Racing, like their headquarters. So you can see. Okay, it says official Ferrari dealer and Harmony. First one is, I think it's Zhengzhou, like Harmony and city name. Second line just Harmony, another city name, Suzhou. And these are all the like their headquarters locations. So very nice. And look at this pin antenna right here. I believe this is metal because this is not rubber. So this is metal. So leave this alone, guys. Whenever you have this thing, especially it's metal, please leave this alone. And I learned this in the hard way. Anything else we can talk about with this car? I don't think so. Should we open this? Ooh. I'm kind of hesitating to do that. Whenever there's a pin on top, I'm really just hesitated. But, you know, just for the documentation purposes. Okay. This screw is super tight. It's like it's telling me that don't do it. Don't do it. I warn you, don't do it. And I'm gonna warn you a second time here in the back. Don't do it. Guys. Ouch, this is, gosh. Alright. Alright, gosh. Super tight. Ooh. You know what I found? Plastic base. This is freaking plastic. I told you, hit or miss. Hit or miss. And, okay. Alright, oops. Alright, these are the, like a disc detail. So, okay. I don't know if I can put everything back, guys. Let's take this out. Ta-ta. Ooh. Impressed. I'm actually pretty... Ooh, look at the... Oh, gosh. Look at how many colors do we have right here. All this computer stuff. Gosh. I'm kind of glad I opened this up, guys. So, this is the engine bay. A lot of stuff. This is a very nice finished interior. So, you know, everything is taken out. Oh, empty on the right side. And you can see the fire extinguisher here. I'm just very impressed about this computer area here. Look at all the buttons and steering wheels. Nice. And you can see the like multi-point harness here. Okay, Tarmac works. Ooh, that just silver paint is beautiful. Alright. I'm gonna take my time to, you know, assemble all together. And I hope you guys like the video and subscribe. You know, I review a lot of interesting 64 scale diecast, not just the race cars, a lot of fun cars. So check my channel out, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.